Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect the Frame TV to your iPhone using AirPlay. First of all, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To make sure of that, go to your settings menu on your TV and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. Make sure that the Wi-Fi you are connected to on this TV matches the one that you are connected to on your iPhone. Then in settings, go to all settings, scroll down to connection, open the connection menu and navigate down to Apple AirPlay settings, then open it. And here the only thing we need to do is make sure that the AirPlay is on. So if it's off, just press OK button on your remote control, and then we can go back to the home page. Now on your iPhone, you can stream AirPlay in two different methods. So first one is swiping down the control center, then select screen mirroring option, which is the default feature on your control center, but if you don't have it, you have to hold your finger down on the control center, select edit control, find your screen mirroring option, and it will be added to your control center. So once you open screen mirroring, if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your device will instantly find the Frame TV on the list. So let's tap on it, and once we tap on it, you're gonna have to confirm. If you tap in on it for the first time, you're gonna have to enter a PIN code to connect to, but it's not the first time that I'm connecting my iPhone to this TV, so I didn't have to do that. But you will see the PIN code on your TV screen or on your iPhone screen. No, on your TV screen. And then and now this way you can basically stream your iPhone's display to your TV. The other way to do so, well, first of all, to disable this screen mirroring, just go back to the control center, open screen mirroring, and tap on your TV. Now the other way to use screen mirroring feature is if you want to stream some specific application like Apple Music or maybe photos, where if you want to show some photos and videos from your smartphone, just go to this application, then select some specific photo, maybe this one, and tap share icon. In Photos application, it's located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you're gonna have to select AirPlay. Then once you press AirPlay, select your TV on the list, and now you'll be only casting this specific application to your TV. And now to exit AirPlay, in this case, you have to simply close the application that you're using. And so yeah, that's how you connect your iPhone to your TV using AirPlay. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.